If you're looking to buy the best blender for crushing ice, then make sure it's as good as the products in this video. No matter your budget and blending needs, you'll find a selection of quality blenders that crush ice in the next few minutes. I've linked to each of them in the description box below so you can check the prices of each product. Now, here are my recommendations for the best blenders for ice. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender is a solid option if you're looking for an affordable and reliable blender to crush ice. It really impressed me with its ability to crush large ice cubes thanks to the stainless steel Ice Saber blades. I found that the 700 watts of peak blending power means this device can handle most blending tasks with ease. So, whether I'm whipping up a smoothie or concocting a frozen drink, the results are consistently smooth. One of my favorite features is the wave action system, which continuously forces the ingredients, such as ice and frozen berries, down into the blades to ensure a thorough blend without me having to stop and stir, which is a huge win for convenience. Also, the 40-ounce glass jar is large enough for making multiple servings in one go, and the easy pour spout means less mess when serving, which I always appreciate. Additionally, cleanup is a breeze with this blender. The glass jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, which saves me quite a bit of time. While the lid was slightly stiff initially, it was a minor inconvenience compared to the overall performance. Finally, as someone who appreciates the advancements in blending technology, I love the versatility offered by the 12 blending functions, making this a good option for a variety of kitchen tasks. From making smoothies to pureeing soups, this blender covers all the bases. Despite its few shortcomings at its price point, it's one of the best blenders for crushing ice if you're on a budget. Up next is the Nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender, which earns the 4th spot on my best ice crushing blender list, thanks to its rare combination of portability and power, making it the best small blender for ice that you can get. Despite its streamlined size, the Nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender is an ice crushing powerhouse, thanks to its 1,200 watt motor, which puts many countertop blenders to shame. During my testing, I found it to be incredibly efficient at crushing ice and blending smoothies to a creamy consistency, thanks to its motor and innovative rapid extraction blade, which is titanium coated for enhanced longevity. I can really see why this is considered the best personal blender for ice by a lot of people. I love the sleek design of this blender. Despite its power, this gadget doesn't take up much space on my kitchen counter. Also, its intuitive illuminated interface makes it super easy to use, even when I'm still groggy in the morning. Similarly, the automated smoothie cycle is perfect for a quick, hassle-free operation, while the pulse function offers more control for specific textures, making it arguably the best blender for shaved ice. The Triton Renew blending cups feel durable and are dishwasher safe, which saves me time on cleaning. However, it's crucial not to overfill the cups, as it can cause the base to lock up and small leaks to occur. Despite this minor inconvenience, the overall efficiency and design of the Nutribullet Ultra make it a standout choice for anyone looking to crush ice and blend smoothies effortlessly. It's definitely the best personal blender for crushing ice that I've come across. Taking the all-important number 3 spot in my best ice blender roundup is the Ninja BN 701 Professional Plus blender, which I really think is one of the best ice crushing blenders that you can buy right now. Having used the Ninja BN 701 Professional Plus blender, I can confidently say it's a robust appliance that excels at crushing ice. The 1,400 watt motor ensures that even the toughest ingredients and densest ice cubes are effortlessly blended. Whether I'm making smoothies or frozen drinks, it delivers consistently smooth results every time, which I've honestly come to expect from blenders made by Ninja. One of my favorite features is the 72-ounce pitcher, which makes it easy to prepare large batches for gatherings or family smoothies. No more blending in several rounds. One go is all it takes to cater to the whole household. Plus, the preset Auto IQ program saved me time and decision fatigue by offering the perfect settings for smoothies, ice cream, and more at the press of a button. Now, as it's pretty powerful, this blender ice crusher can be loud during operation. It's something to consider if you have a quiet household or thin walls. Also, the stacked blade assembly is very efficient but extremely sharp, so cleaning requires extra caution. Overall, I really rate this product as the best Ninja blender for ice on the market. Moving on to the second best blender for ice crushing, we have the Breville Fresh and Furious blender, which is a great option to buy today if you like easy operation coupled with powerful blending performance. I've been using the Breville Fresh and Furious blender for a week now, and it's been the centerpiece in my kitchen thanks to its powerful 1,100 watt motor, which crushes ice into snow without any hesitation. One of my favorite features is the quiet operation. Many blenders I've used before were so loud, they made my kitchen sound like a construction zone. This one, though, operates smoothly and quietly, which is a huge relief. Plus, the pre-programmed buttons and convenient LCD display make my morning smoothie routine a breeze. It really is the best blender for crushing ice cubes that you can get without spending a small fortune. Now, although the base is a bit heavy, making it less portable, this sturdiness adds to the stability while blending, which I really appreciate from a safety perspective. And while the price is on the higher side, the performance and build quality justify it, in my opinion. For anyone serious about their smoothies and ice, this is just about the best blender to crush ice that you can get your hands on. So, what is the best blender for crushing ice that you can get? Well, it's a very close call because the Breville ticks all the boxes. However, if you want to go all out and buy the best ice crusher blender, then the Vitamix 5200 is where you need to look. I was really impressed with how the Vitamix 5200 handles ice. Whether I'm prepping a morning smoothie or a frozen dessert, this blender crushes ice effortlessly and blends it smoothly with other ingredients. Better still, the variable speed control lets me fine-tune the texture exactly how I want it, making it super versatile for different recipes. As I've come to expect from Vitamix products, this blender's build quality is fantastic. It feels sturdy and built to last, which gives me confidence that it's a reliable investment. Also, the self-cleaning feature is a lifesaver. I just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, and it cleans itself in under a minute. No more disassembling and scrubbing. The downside is the noise level. It's pretty loud compared to my Breville, which can be a hassle early in the morning. Plus, it's rather bulky, so it's definitely not the best mini blender for ice because it takes up a good amount of counter space. Yet, despite these drawbacks and its premium price, I think the performance and durability make this blender worth considering if you need a top-tier kitchen appliance for crushing ice. Okay, so there you have it, guys, my carefully curated list of the best blenders for crushing ice on the market today. Feel free to let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful in any way, then please do give it a like. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, you could maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thank you very much for watching.